Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.